right back down here to this coin and come to this edge where it says this variable is not public and will not be editable on an instance of this blueprint. We're going to go ahead and check that. Get that little eye icon, because here's a little bonus for you right here. So let's come back to the actual mode where we see this coin, right? And what we're going to go ahead and do is that if you look over here on this right hand side, you actually see the word coin, right? And if we go back in here, we actually see the coin down here with the name, and over here to the right it's under a section called defaults. So the cool thing about game development, what you're going to be doing in here is you're going to be creating variables over here. You're going to be making them go to the front with this little eye, right? And you're going to organize them with the category. So I'm going to call this coin amount. Coin amount. Got that in there. I got that coin amount in there. And let's go to the next part. We're going to go ahead and hit this compile button at the top left. And now we're going to go back to the front. And look, now the coin amount is there. It's 0, right? Now we actually could edit it in here in the back end. Over here to the right, setting the default value over here, which some of the times you probably will do this, right? But we're going to come to the front for now because I want to show you this. Okay, so here we are. We have this one coin, and right now the value of it is 0. Normally when you pick up a coin, at least you get one coin, right? But what if you wanted to make it to where one coin was more valuable than another, right? So what you'll do is you'll hold down the Alt button, or on a Mac, you'll hold down the Options key, I believe, and then you hold on the click and you drag over to basically to duplicate it. There we go. So now we got 2 coins, right? Starting to make a game, starting to put it together, right? 2 coins with collision, right? And as you see, when we click on each one of them, you see their names over here at the top: coin 1, coin 2. Each one of them value is 1. So what we're going to actually do over here, just for fun, we'll just say 2. So there we go. So that means that if the player picks up this coin, it's going to be worth 1 point. And if the player picks up this coin, then it's going to be worth 2 coins. And that's what I meant earlier when I told you about the jumps, right? Earlier, when you would basically create your game and choose how you would create that experience for that player, right? This is right here. Of course, you are learning the engine at the same time, but I want you to also start visually thinking about it, because that will also help you move forward with this journey. And I'm trying to make it easy for you too, man. Let's go. Alright, so we're just going to delete this coin for now, but I'll say it one more time. So we have 1 coin right here, right, in the back end. We put a variable down here, integer. We made it where it's public, where it has this little I. We gave it a category. We just called it that. Then we hit compile. Then we went to the front. Here it is right here. Here it is over here. Actually, we clicked on it, and then we held down Alt, and we duplicated it, and which let us make another coin. And then from each coin, as you look over here in the right, the details, right, details, you see the coin amount, the category that we created, and we can literally change the coin amount on each instance, right? It's multiple instances of this same coin, and that's what it say right here too. Variable is public and editable on each instance of this blueprint. So this is instances. All right. And we'll go ahead and delete these so we can get to the next part. And now we're going to talk a little bit more about collision, so you can actually understand how Sonic will pick up this coin. Let's get into it.